Okay, so I am going to share one slide which was from your presentation. Okay, so you keep silent. So how many of you know Hindi and English both? You are good at translation. Good? Because I believe in something, to make you smile. Because when you smile, your mind pops up. Okay? You feel happy. And happy mind is what? Productive mind. Right? Good. Okay. So now I'm going to ask you something which you need to translate. And let me check. Who will be fastest rather, in translating that particular Hindi into English. What to do? Okay? हाँ? मैं दिल में आता हूँ, समझ में नहीं. How many of you have seen this movie now? किक देगा? ओरे यार, किक नहीं देगा? किसने किक देखी? हाथ करो. Yes. Boys have seen, girls have seen. Others have not seen kick. I'm not. Video recorded, right? I'm not going to encourage you. Okay. For the movies and all things, but see, now like on television they were saying like one bacha chota sa, like she or he saying, "Usku सीखने को मिलता है और पापा कहते हैं टीवी देखो मत." Point is, if you want, you can learn from any source. I am a movie buff, for the first day, first show kind of, So, but idea is objective basically to learn more. Why? So translate this. मैं दिल में आता हूँ, समझ में नहीं. I come in heart, not in mind. Okay. Fast, yeah, very fast.
I am emotionally understandable but not logically.
Yeah, what's the
I am emotionally understandable but not logically. Means he is emotional but not logical. Salman Khan.
But understanding से नहीं होता है. कुछ चीजें understand होती नहीं है. Good things are not understood. Because if it's understood, then okay, logic oriented. But the two नहीं कोई और से. Right. Okay. Next. यार हमारे क्लास के अंदर कोई बिहार का बैठता था यार, कहाँ गया यार? ओए! कैसे हो यार? वो नहीं मिला ना किसको मिला यार? Suraj will now translate this in English. क्वेश्चन तो कर सकते हैं. पहले आप हिंदी में बोलो. देखो. आप मेरे कैमरे से कोई दूसरा फोटो निकालो यार. Can you take?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Take good, वहाँ से भी ले लो, यहाँ से भी ले लो, मेरे ही मत लो. अभी ना पढ़ो, बोलो यार. नहीं वो फिर से वो 11 बोल रहा है. उसी में तो रस है यार. This. Sorry. Okay. I will put this blazer for till you take snaps. Okay. चलो बोलो फिर से बोलो.
डॉन का इंतजार में 11 मुल्कों की पुलिस कर रही है, लेकिन डॉन को पकड़ना मुश्किल है, नामुमकिन.
ये बात क्या बात. अब अंग्रेजी में. कोशिश करो. कौन करेगा? Why you? Police of Lemon Candies is waiting for Dawn, but Dawn is not visible. That's all. Anybody else from there? आखिरी बेंच वाले, लास्ट बेंच. कोशिश करो यार Dawn का. आप Dawn का कोशिश नहीं करो. बेटा सुनो. लास्ट बेंच वाले, लास्ट बेंच वाले. किसको बोलो? और इसमें एक गड़बड़ी है, मैं बता रहा हूँ, इसमें वर्ड का एक गड़बड़ी है. ओके, वही बताना क्या है ना. रिकॉर्डिंग रिकॉर्ड होता रहेगा।
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल चल रहा है।
आ जाओ फोटो ले लो, वहाँ से ले लो, यहाँ से ले लो, मैं साथी सुनो यस चलो कोई बात नहीं, अंग्रेजी तो कन्वर्ट कर दो। Who will translate this me quickly in English? Come on, who will? Yeah, good, yeah. I'm saying the third time. तो whatever, yeah. आप उसको अंग्रेजी में बोलो ना।
Honestly,
Don't say exact word, close to word, commitment, motive, whatever, you know, like just try. I don't know exact. That should help, yeah. Yeah, exactly. Why don't you try? Why don't you try? Wait. You want to try? Why only one of you want to try? Come on. Yeah, I'm listening to Mark. Awesome, great. Okay. So this was only from this side, okay. Now I can do this in this. So that the topic, my friends, is okay, now see, for next 1.5 hours, maybe till 7:15, 15 minutes, okay, we're going to discuss something on very serious topic, which will help me, you, as a student. Is it okay? Okay. And the topic is basically on how to enhance your concentration. Sounds good? Yeah. Sounds good. Right. Okay. So see, every time like one thing is common in me, I believe you all are good. I mean, 15, 16 years of educational experience. Right. So you all are good. But however, there is always a scope to become great. Right? Okay. Good. Great. Okay. So this is something about the vision, balance, and action. What are the takeaways from this session? How to enhance your concentration is one that will come after 4-5 slides. Okay. But before that, let me revisit again with you on goal setting. I think you've been there in last sessions, right? Okay. It's good for all the people who have been attending my sessions. Okay. But for the new, those who have not attended, okay, it is my moral responsibility. It's my moral responsibility to invoke in you about goal setting. Important, very important, right? So we'll discuss on that. Okay, this is about me. Just 15 seconds, you can just outside. You must have seen this person, right? You must be knowing this person. So I'm actually like I'm very lucky enough that this just gets into my book. Okay, first is second pipeline now, and this is starting for very right. Some of you have mailed me, and I have mailed you the soft copy. So got 4 stars out of 5. By 4, I don't know if you read books, you have to score 4. Too much of meaning now if you go to that. This is only to make the new students, those who are attending a session for the first time, to make you aware that you are in safe hands for next 1.5 hours. So don't worry, I'm not going to share something which is approachable but very scientific, and it will help you out of my experience. How to enhance your concentration? That's the topic. Right. So, what are your styles of improving concentration? How do you improve your concentration? ये शायद ये वस्तु में नहीं आना चाहिए। What do you mean by meditation? So, do you seriously do that? How often you do? I mean, what is your daily routine? When you do? Early morning or? You sit 10-15 minutes in some culture and you focus on breath. It helps you. Very good. I like your honesty. So you don't know whether it helps. But it helps. It mellows down at least the mind that you feel charged up and you feel good at least, isn't it? कुछ तो है something is सुबह क्या नाम है आपका? Okay. Any other? What do you mean by meditation? What do you mean by meditation? I forgot your name. But yeah, there you go. और क्या मेडिटेशन से ये देवियां मेडिटेशन करती है बाकी लोगों का क्या क्या करता है कंसंट्रेशन कैसे बढ़ाते हैं the moment when you try to not think you will think more नहीं for you it doesn't happen because you may be already awakened भाई लोग कंसंट्रेशन कैसे बढ़ता है I'm also certified making master out of all good making okay what is power nap बहुत अच्छा है सही बात है power nap ले लो power nap में कभी सपने आते हैं भयंकर सपने आते हैं वो आगे और बुरा होना चाहता है यार पहले अच्छा था ये सच क्यों हो सपने में आ गई कोई तो है ना फिर बाद में सोचता है यार ये सच क्यों हो सपना तोड़ दिया सूरज ने आगे सपना तोड़ दिया what else how you focusing on which thing you can focus on anything okay focus on this can you focus on this we try to focus on the things which we like because suppose if let's see I believe in transparency honesty enjoy my session जैसा बैठना है बैठो जो बात करना है करो आप टेक अवे होना चाहिए there should be certain learning I am with least possible we do least possible those who are attending my session you are witness to it okay the moment that I say focus on this पहला सवाल आता who the hell are you to ask me money man होता होगा who this person with the ponytail what is he going to tell second oh yeah this particular thing Katrina Kaif का फोटो रखा होगा तो यार कोई और I don't know who's going to eat whatever am I right or wrong maybe Hrithik Roshan maybe six pack whatever okay any other thing because I want to know from you how you practice I'm sure each one of you would be struggling or would be trying to ease out to focus concentrate isn't it as a student even me I'm a student okay I'll have to yes
So, according to me, meditation is in different forms. For everyone, it's different. For me, example, I go near to the nature, like lakes, for meditating. So that's kind of meditation for me.
What's your name?
Abdi Patni.
Very good. Today I was at the lake view. Today, when I was in your college, the James. I had a session there, 2 hours, and then after that, driver took me to the lake view. I never been there. So I asked my friend here, Gopal mein kya hai? So lake view talk. In fact, I like Prince and Waves. वहाँ से बहुत अच्छा व्यू दिखा था lake view. But वो अलग फीलिंग आ रही थी मैं वहाँ पे अकेला महसूस कर रहा था. I could see no couples there. All couples there. Okay, anyways, the view. So I mean, the point is, everybody has his own style. His or her own style to enhance communication. Right? Good. You will see. Okay. What is this? Yeah. Has anyone by chance, by mistake, experienced some kind of energy movement in you, and your this so-called third eye, or Ajna Chakra, or the pineal gland, or whatever we call it, okay, this area becomes free? Who experienced that? You experience this? You experience? What happens to you? It becomes hairy. What? Nothing on the point. उसके साथ क्या होगा?
Focusing on a point.
इसके अलावा और कोई इंटेंस फीलिंग ऐसा होता है कि दिस विल बर्न आउट, दिस विल ब्लास्ट आउट एंड योर बॉडी गेट्स हीटेड एंड देयर इज लॉट ऑफ एनर्जी मूवमेंट एंड ऑल दिस थिंग्स. ऐसा कुछ होता है आपके साथ? नहीं होता ना? वेरी गुड, नहीं होता, अच्छी बात है. होता है तो बात में, अगर होता है तो दैट इज एग्जैक्टली आई विल ओके. आई होप एवरीवन नोस दिस starting. So if we are talking about how to improve on concentration skills, right? Okay. One name comes to me. There are so many names, but one name comes to me because this man is known for high degree of concentration. Remember, I don't know if you have read about Swami Vivekananda ji. Okay, he was where he was. What was that speech? Where he delivered the speech? Where? Chicago. Yes. And when he was there, going into a train, he was reading something, and people were amazed that he could remember each and everything. During that time, the encyclopedia, somebody asked him, do you remember each and everything? He said, yes, I can. Okay. So he says, am I audible there?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Okay. He says the difference between an ordinary and extraordinary man is degree of concentration. That's it. And it says so many things. He says, if you ask me who's the extraordinary person today, he says the person who has high degree of concentration. And if you have high degree of concentration, that's the master key for success. Clear? Okay. So ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, brothers and sisters, okay. What is the takeaway for? We're going to discuss on the difference between pleasure and joy. Okay. We're going to discuss on what is this target, goal, result, purpose. What is the difference? Because many times we come across these words, right? What is goal? What is target? What is vision and all? Okay. So we're going to discuss on that. Goal versus purpose. So ठीक है, अभी photos बस हो गया. That's okay. You can switch off the camera. Otherwise, I'll be unconscious. Known versus unknown goal. This is very different. Because when we talk about the goal, we don't know what goal we are talking about. Is it a known goal or is it an unknown goal? Clear? करना क्या है, बनना क्या है, पता ही नहीं होता है. So we will discuss on this. Why, where, purpose. This is a very, very important point. And concentration. From here we will talk about the concentration, and we will touch upon Advaita Vedanta a little bit. Okay, and we will touch upon that. Since most of you believe in meditation, isn't it? So I will quote Hindu mythology. Hindu. Okay. Left and right brain, time bonus, and tips to study towards that. Is it okay? This will be our objective. Now, pleasure versus joy. Okay. So, can you tell me what do you mean by pleasure and what do you mean by joy? By joy, I mean bliss. Okay. Pleasure is connotable. Okay. If you are happy, you become unhappy. Okay. But joy is like sort of long term, if not permanent, sort of long term when compared to your pleasure. So, what is the difference between pleasure and joy? Or joy? Joy is long lasting. Right. The whole pursuit of spiritual enlightenment is achieving that permanence. Bliss. Sachidanand, if you are heard about Sachidanand. Okay? Sachidanand. What is that? Truth, consciousness, and Anand. See, happiness has opposite, unhappiness, isn't it? Sukh, dukh, dukh, sukh. But Anand doesn't have an opposite. It is beyond. Okay? It is beyond. Okay. Why? So, pleasure is normally for the body. You see, like some food, cravings, isn't it? It could be any sort. Okay. It is five senses. You try to fulfill the five senses. Sensory pleasure, right? That's all. And in the heart and soul, it is instant gratification and it is delayed gratification. Okay? Just read. Just read this. And I'm going to explain this. I'm going to explain this. Suppose someone says success. In order to achieve success, suppose this is your exam, some MCQ kind of question, and it has given two options, see A and B. Okay, it says pleasure. Okay. Sleep on pain. Okay. Laziness. This is about, say hard work. If you allow me hard work, I think this is more. Now it is easy for you, right? Suppose this is the choice. You can take, like we can. Success के लिए आपको क्या चाहिए? Hard work चाहिए? Okay. Can you come? Anyone? How do you? So if this is an exam, what do you do? What do you do? Yeah. You will take this, right? Okay. Great. Okay. So yeah, sit down. What's your name? You said? Swapnil. Swapnil. Okay. Very good. Okay. Swapnil has stick to what? Hard work. Now, this is how we go wrong. Okay. We think that. But if you, it is not just crossing, but it's how believing it is. Because in your unconscious, in your subconscious mind, the iceberg theory, if you know, okay, the 9-10 is there, subconscious. And the Scientologist, okay, it comes out. Because if you're not deleting it from your life, if you're not erasing it from your life, the laziness, okay, it will be always there in dormancy and it can take any form. जैसे होता है ना एक राक्षस मतलब दबा हुआ ना आप सप्रेस कर रहे हो उसको जैसे अगर मैं कई ऑप्शन दे सकता हूँ एंगर है कंपैशन है तो आपने कंपैशन ठीक कर लिया बोलने के लिए क्या है बट एंगर वैसे ही तो एंगर कभी ना कभी निकलेगा all this negativity if this is the positivity and that is the negativity I need to delete I need to conquer I hope I am clear on this now this is the takeaway okay. Many times we choose. No, it is not about choosing. It is not about working on that. You need to work equally on that thing which is there, lurking inside. Okay, you need to demolish it. You need to completely abolish it. Okay, right? For example, Raja Mohan Rai, he abolished what? General knowledge. Yeah. Right. Okay. Clear? Huh? This is what? Okay. Now here you will see something. You can ask me. You can ask me. You can ask me on this. Okay. If you are not able to understand anything, this is instant and delayed gratification. What is this instant and delayed gratification? You all understand gratification? Sorry, I will be asking simple questions. Okay, I am not checking your talent. It is actually I am reconfirming. If you don't know by chance, I will. Because my objective is if I know 10 things, at least if you can able to understand 8 or 7 things, my job is done. Right. So we will go slow, and it is a complete takeaway for you. Hope it's clear? Huh? So what is the difference between instant and delayed gratification? So I will quote something with gratification for you. Now there is one American psychologist. Today morning I was sharing with this there. He did a phenomenal research, okay, when it comes to psychological change. In a group of say 20-25 children, in an age group of 6-7-year-old, okay, children, okay. This American psychologist, he gave them one piece ऐसे बैठे थे लोग. Is Hindi okay with all? Is there anyone who doesn't understand Hindi? Raise your hand. Hindi सबको आती है? सबको आती है ना? सूरज, इतना खुश हो गया. तो the thing is, सबके सामने मिठाई का एक पीस रखा उसने, बच्चों के सामने. मिठाई, you all know, bachas are very crazy for the mithai. Even at this age of 43, I am also crazy. I have a sleep. Okay, देखो बात करते करते मुंह में पानी भी आ रहा है. The thing is, that he is eating one piece of mithai. तो कहता है बच्चों को कि आपको एक और मिठाई चाहिए, तो बच्चे टिपिकली सब एक आवाज में बोलते हैं, हाँ चाहिए, है ना? वो क्या बोल रहा है? मिलेगा, लेकिन एक शर्त है. शर्त ये है कि मिठाई की जो रखा हुआ है सामने आपके, आप इसको नहीं खाना, मेरा इंतजार करना. मैं बाहर जाऊंगा कमरे के और बाद में आऊंगा. कब आऊंगा? अंकल अब कब आओगे? मैं 10-15 मिनट में आऊंगा. हो सकता है मुझे 1 घंटा लगे. अच्छा 1 घंटा लगे, पर मैं आऊंगा. और मैं आऊंगा और मैं देखूंगा जिस बच्चे ने मिठाई नहीं खाई है, जिसने मेरा इंतजार किया, उससे मैं और 2 पीस दूंगा. एक की जगह 3 मिलेगा. तो बच्चा लोग बोला ठीक है. तो क्या होगा? मैं सब लोगों को, बच्चा लोगों के सामने मिठाई का टुकड़ा रख के गया. बहुत प्यारी मतलब ऐसा उसका महंगा इसका फ्रैग्रेंस आ रहा है एंड इट इज सो नाइस मतलब आइज आर पॉइंट बच्चा हो गया 6-7 साल का उम्र क्या होगा व्हाट डू यू थिंक व्हाट विल हैपन सभी लोग खा लेगा ना बाद में देखा जाएगा ना कल करे सो आज करे सो अभी that's right normally we all do forget children yeah we all do isn't it so what will happen most of the children will eat that okay mostly had a different version right you had a different version right so actually you are all alike most of the children invariably they will eat one piece they will not wait so this guy he found out they were in a group okay 25 people used to do many surveys various target groups, okay, various kinds of children from middle, high class, low class, all of them. And invariably in all the groups you could see majority of the children will eat that sweet. They will not wait. ठीक है? But कुछ बच्चा लोग wait किया. 25 में से maybe 2, 3, maybe 1 in a group, maybe 5 in certain group, okay. And we has found that the children who waited, okay, when they grew up, okay, in their life they were more successful. Whatever the success we call, materialistic success, whatever the success we call, they were more successful from children they ate then and there. So this is called delayed gratification. अभी मैं आप लोगों को सवाल पूछता है, अभी आप लोग इतना मेहनत करके पढ़ के इधर बैठा हुआ है, ठीक है? हमारे क्लास के अंदर में बचपन में कुछ ऐसा बदमाश बच्चा लोग होगा ना, जिन्होंने पढ़ाई नहीं किया, so they are lagging behind. हम में से कुछ लोग हमारे बैच में से जो भी 10th or whatever, okay, few students were more like they used to do more extra, used to burn more midnight oil, right? So maybe they are going for engineering or medical, isn't it? Right? So what they are doing? They are sacrificing. Shiv Khera, I got that in one of the session. Okay. Shiv Khera says every child or no child, okay, every child likes to sleep cozy रजाई में during winters. किसी को सुबह उठने का मन नहीं करता यार. 4 बजे 5 बजे उठ के कौन? हाँ, please बोले. You all understand, right? But again, few children at that age, maybe when they were in 7th standard, maybe 10th standard, they will sacrifice. They say, no, alarm बज गया, मुझे उठना है. ठंड है, 4 बजे 4:30 बजे मेरा एग्जाम है, नहीं है जो भी they make a proper timetable and they will sacrifice that thing and they will make a habit and the habit operates them. And those children will succeed in life, correct? So they make a habit. Habits cannot be changed, they can be replaced. You cannot. It's like energy. Energy cannot be created, not destroyed, but it can be transformed. Clear? I have a bad habit. I will correlate each and everything with science. Okay, so that will be easy for you. How many are science students over here? Very good. Okay, so we got. Rest all are commerce? It's a part of science, but don't worry. We will work on it. So clear on that? Instant gratification, delayed gratification. Okay? So pleasure and joy. So this is outside. This is coming from outside world, from environment. परिस्थिति बदलने से मनस्थिति बदलती है ना? परिस्थिति एनवायरनमेंट बदलने से मेरी मनस्थिति बदलती है. स्वाभाविक है और बड़ा सिंपल है, ऐसा ही होता है, राइट?